shit. Oh, God. Shoot. Yes.
Damn.
Wow.
I think.
Okay, what town are we in? Holy Mother of Moo Moo.
Got it rolling?
Oh my God! Tell me he got out.
He should have been out.
Just tell me he got out.
September 24th, 2020. A rainy day in Villa Rica, Georgia. Things seem quiet, but this police cruiser is about to record something that happens far too often in the U.S. Up ahead, the gates of a railroad crossing are going down, and a truck can't quite make its turn. A wider shot shows something else. Locomotive headlights rapidly approaching. There's nothing the officer can do.